How do you turn off the volume should be turned down notification on your iPhone? Let me show you how it works. If you're new here, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. Now, at first, you need to go to your settings app as usual, and then proceed to the accessibility section. Part of the accessibility, scroll through the different menus, but tap on audio and visual once you find it. And inside of there, go to the bottom, and there's going to be a toggle for headphone notifications. So it is likely going to be enabled and in green, so you can dial it back. And as you can see, it is to protect your hearing. iPhone sends a notification if you've been listening to loud headphone audio for long enough to affect you. So this is what you can enable or disable, but that is the place to find it. However, there is also the main settings page where you can see sounds and haptics, and there are also some other things like there are the headphone safety, which you can also enable the reduce loud audio. That is something you might be interested in, or reduce loud sounds might be enabled here as well. So this is like kind of a separate thing, but it also has to do with your volume and how loud your music gets. So just check out those places in the settings as well if you are interested in that topic. But I'm going to wrap up the video right now, and there isn't much else that I could show you. So let me know if it helped by hitting the thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss videos and tutorials like this one. So thanks a lot, and I'll talk to you soon.